How you doing? How's it going?
I'm waiting for someone.
Yeah, somebody coming?
Yes.
All right.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, though.
How you getting your car out of my front yard?
You know what? I'm waiting for you to get me out.
You're
Right down in the hole.
yeah, yeah?
Yes,
How are they going to get you out?
Push. I hope.
I think your car's pretty much on the frame.
I don't know. I
Yeah?
don't know. I hope.
Huh?
I hope.
Where are you coming from?
Right down there in the hole.
Down at the end of the hall?
Right down there. Last house on the left.
That's where you're coming from?
That's where I'm going to.
Where are you coming from?
ShopRite.
Huh?
ShopRite.
ShopRite.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, I am.
Okay. I see. All right. What, did you spill something on your pants there?
Actually, I said snow outside, yeah.
You slipped in the snow?
I sure did.
Did you have a little bit to drink tonight?
Not really.
Not really? Not even one or two?
Maybe one.
Maybe one? Yeah, where'd you have that at?
Right down the hill, Rizzo's.
Rizzo's? You were down to Rizzo's? How long do you think you were there?
Maybe an hour.
An hour? What are you drinking? Beer? Liquor?
Yeah, no.
What's that?
Beer.
Beer? Yeah, I think your tire's just spinning. You're going to tear it up if you just keep doing that. So who's coming to get you?
A friend of mine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And what, they're going to give you a ride back to your house? What's your name again?
Beverly. Right down there. Right
Beverly? What's your last name, Beverly?
April. Last house on the left.
Last house on the left?
Absolutely.
How'd you end up here?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No. I went around to go home, and this is where I ended up.
I see. Just kind of ended up accidentally here in my yard?
Yeah, pretty much. You know what? Yeah, pretty much.
I see.
But we went right from here to there. Absolutely.
Uh-huh. I don't think you're going anywhere. Your car's pretty stuck.
Well,
I think you're probably going to need a tow truck to get it out.
oh, I hope not.
Yeah, that's pretty. You're pretty much in my yard, pretty far.
How you doing?
Did I find my dog?
Yeah.
Yeah, my dog's fine. Why?
Okay.
Was there a problem with my dog?
I said it was missing.
No, my dog wasn't missing.
Oh, good. I mean, I'm just gonna sit and wait for help.
Did you call anybody?
Yeah, I did. Sure.
Who'd you call?
My friend,
Who's your friend?
Rich.
Rich? Where's Rich coming from?
Right down the hill.
Right down the hill?
And my husband will be home soon.
And your husband's going to be home soon?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you think he'll be able to come help you get out?
Well, now, AAA.
AAA's going to help you get out?
I hope so.
Is your leg okay?
Yeah, fine.
It looks like you got ice or something stuck in it.
No.
In your shin.
No, I'm fine.
You okay?
I'm sure.
Okay, well,
I'm sorry that...
my advice to you would be to stop trying to rev your engine to get out, because you're just going to tear up your car.
Yeah, you know what? I'll take your advice.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Okay.
Because, you know, as you can see here, you know, you got all the tires off the road. I don't know how you manage that.
You know what? I have no idea either.
Yeah. I don't know. Think it had anything to do with the beers you had earlier?
Not at all.
No?
I'm going right down the hill.
Well, I know you're going down the hill now, but when you were at Rizzo's, you might have had a couple there, huh?
I'm okay.
Yeah? Wow, you got snow up on your hood. You must have hit in here pretty hard. You sure you're okay?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Right down the hill to the left.
Did you have your seatbelt on?
I sure did, right here.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
You know I did. I'm very sorry that I bothered you. I really am.
Hey, I mean, you're parked in my front yard. That's all, and I don't want you to blow your car up or nothing.
I know.
So.
All right. I'm sorry.
Yeah, what are you sorry for?
Because it's just, I know.
Oh, okay.
All right. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Well, you have a nice night.
I hope it get better.
You hope it gets better?
Oh, you know what? I really do.
I hope it gets better for you, too.
Go down the hill and to the left.
Right down the hill and to the left?
No.
I think this guy coming up here is probably going to be able to help you.
And to the...
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Thanks a lot.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Yep, you take it easy.
You too.
All right, I will.
Bye.
Goodbye.